Hello, my name is Viharaa Jayasinghe, and this would be episode 38 of my e-commerce web application project. And in this video, I will be discussing about the programming part of the message sending and viewing process. So let's see. So here we are in the home page. Let's go to the messages page. Firstly, I will send a message. I will select a user, and I will type. I will send this message now. Now let's see how we can view a message. So this is the receive tab and this is the send tab. So you can see this is the message that I typed just now, and this was a previous message which you saw in the previous episode. Let's see the database. You can see that message as well. So now let's dive into the coding part of this process. So this would be the messages.php file, and this is the button that I click to send my message. When I click that button, I activate this function, the JavaScript function send_msg, which is this function. It creates a new form and append the receiver's mail and the message, and those are sent to this file in Ajax using the post method. So let's go to the send msg process.php file. This is that file. We have made a session and the connection, the database connection, and we have assigned the received values to these variables. We have formatted our time. Using those variables, we have executed this insert query. If this execution happens successfully, we echo this. So when that is received by the JavaScript function, it will reload the page. In this case, it will show this alert as well. So moving on to the viewing process. In the viewing process, this is the reasons body which ends from here, and this unordered list contains the tab buttons of received and sent. So if we click one of the messages which are displayed in either received or sent, we will activate this function and we send either the sender's email or the receiver's email depending on the tab you are in. And so when we activate that function, that email is sent in get method. You can see to this file in Ajax, message process.php, and the received values are assigned to these variables. Using those variables, we execute a select query by employing the chat table. So using the number of rows, we create a for loop. So by selecting each row, we get that user's data. You can see, using that user's data, if that person has a profile, we display it, or else we display the default image. Then we display the content and the respective time which you saw under the message. And moving to the receiver section, it will display the content and the date as well, and we will update the status of the chat as well. And that would be the end of the 38th episode of my e-commerce web application project. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.